Hello everyone, this is Victor from Cadby Construction Equipment Company. Today, I'm so happy to introduce to you the DEVELON DX60WECO well excavator, a true gem in the world of construction machinery. First and foremost, let's talk about its mobility. The DX60WECO is equipped with wells, allowing it to move with ease for short to medium distance relocations between construction sites. You don't need to worry about using a trawler. It can drive to the location by itself. This feature not only saves time, but also reduces transportation costs, making it an ideal choice for projects that requires frequent site changes, such as urban construction and road maintenance projects. Under the hood, the DX60WECO is equipped with DEVELON engine. It not only meets the strict National 4 emission standard, showing its environmental friendliness, but also meets the rated power of 36.2 to 39.7 kilowatt at a rated speed of 2,200 revolutions per minute. The bucket capacity ranges from 0.18 to 0.28 cubic meters, suitable for different construction requirements. When it comes to the operator's comfort, the DEVELON has left no stone unturned. The spacious and cozy comp of the DX60WECO is designed to make the operators feel at home. The carefully designed air conditioner vest ensures that the operators can work comfortably, whether it's a cold winter or a hot summer. In a conclusion, the DEVELON DX60WECO combined with excellent mobility, powerful performance, operators' comfort, and easy maintenance. It is a truly friend of various different construction projects. Thank you very much.